I don't know if it's clear, but what we did here is we made mounds. We have 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 mounds, and we put holes on every mound there. I don't know if it's clear, but there's a big mound here. Well, it's not too big, it's enough for the plant that we will plant in here. And we made a hole in the mound, or in the middle of this mound. We will plant sweet potato. So the reason we made a mound, because it's easier for the sweet potato to grow when you dig a hole here, or you made a mound, and then you put the sweet potato here, sweet potato plant, and then when it bears fruit, or bears, you know, a sweet potato, it's easier for them to grow, and there will be more produce from it. So we will start planting the sweet potato now. Alright. So there you go. Sweet potatoes are planted. There's the mound. I don't know if it's the mound there. Our sweet potato. There. It's easier for the sweet potato to grow when you make mounds, because you loosen the soil and it's easier for them to grow when you lose the soil. I learned this growing up. I grew in a farm. My parents are farmer. The kids, we the children are farmer. So we use this for the mound. It's getting hot, so let's take a rest for a moment. And I planted more. I will show it to you later. There's watermelon and cabbage, purple cabbage, broccoli, and more. So I will show it to you later. We are here under the shade. So it's very hot. My husband is still cutting the grass. Later on we will go back there and till. While resting, I will talk to you about Kapa. I don't know if you heard about Kapa, mga Pinoy dyan. Sa mga nakakarinig na ng Kapa. I've heard about Kapa last couple months ago, or maybe January. I forgot when. But I really did not search about it, because maybe I don't believe about it. And then doing YouTube, there's a lot of Kapa videos that I saw, but I just, skip it and not watch it. But my cousin, nasa Mindanao siya, she told us about it, but I just kinda ignored it. And I talked to her, and she was talking about Kapa, and I learned more about Kapa, and I started searching about it, started studying about it, and base doon sa experience ng cousin ko, nakikinig ako sa kanya, and napag-isipan ko, I decided na sumali sa Kapa. So, sumali ako sa Kapa dahil I trust Kapa. So, nagustuhan ko yung mission ng Kapa. Sabi nga nila, Kapa is a ministry. Isa siyang ministry na founded by Joel Apolinario. He is a pastor. Pastor Joel Apolinario from Mindanao. And Kapa, ang legal description ng Kapa is kahamugaway ang padulngan apil ang komunidad. So, kung nahirapan ka sa buhay, abroad ka, pumupunta ka kung saan saan para sa, wala namang tao na pinangarap na mahirap. Lahat naman tayo nagsisikap dahil ayaw natin na maging mahirap sa buhay. So ang Kapa ay tumutulong sa mga tao na mga mahihirapan sa buhay. Alam naman natin, maraming tao sa mundo na nahihirapan. Tayong mga Pilipino ay nahihirapan. Kaya tayo nag-abroad. Kaya tayo nandito sa abroad para magsikap sa buhay. Para maiahon natin ang ating pamilya sa kahirapan. So, ang Kapa is a ministry. It is SEC or SEC registered. It's isa itong religious organization. So, pag sumasali ka sa Kapa, hindi siya tinatawag na investment, hindi tinatawag siya na donation. Pag nagdo-donate ka sa Kapa, hindi ka lang nagdo-donate, hindi ka lang nakatulong, kundi natutulungan mo rin ang iyong sarili. Pag nagdo-donate ka, di ba alam naman natin na pag nagdo-donate ka, hindi ka nag-expect ng kapalit. Pero dito sa Kapa, pag nagdo-donate ka, binibigyan ka ng increase. Binibigyan ka ng increase sa ministry na ito. So according to IRS, kung alam nyo kung ano tong IRS, religious organization includes church, mosques, non-denominational ministries, synagogues, mission organizations, and more, etc. So, ang Kapa ay non-denominational ministry siya. Nabilong siya sa non-denominational ministries. Ang ginagawa ng Kapa ay from your donation ay ini-invest nila ito ng mga businesses. Ginagamit ng Kapa ang pera for investment, and yung kita ng investment ay binabalik nila doon or isinishare nila doon sa mga nagdo-donate. So for example, nag-donate ka at ini-invest nila, ang kita doon sa ini-invest nila, binibigyan ka ng share ng Kapa. So, maraming nagsasabi na scam ang Kapa. Pero, yung mga nagsasabi hindi naman sumasali. Paano nila nalalaman? Paano nila nasasabi scam ang Kapa? Hindi naman sila sumasali. So, kung hindi ka pa sumali, sabihin na scam, na wag mong sabihin na scam ang Kapa. Diba? Hindi ka nga sumali, na scam ka. Pag yung mga sumali, hindi ka nga yung mga sumasali, hindi na scam, ikaw na hindi sumali na scam. Paano yung nangyari? So, mga kaibigan, kung gusto nyo pong umunlad sa buhay, ang Kapa ay handang tumulong sa atin. So, kung gusto nyo ng update about Kapa, mag-subscribe lang kayo dyan. I-update ko kung ano yung progress ng aking pagsali sa Kapa. I-update ko kayo through our videos. So, mag-subscribe ka na. Huwag mong kalimutan yung notification bell para updated ka sa susunod na video. Kaya ayan, tamang pahinga na. Balik na tayo sa Harden. Okay. It's already 5 o'clock, but the sun still there, still too high. Before I end this video, I'm gonna show you something. Okay, are you ready? I'll show you something. So this is the dogwood that we dug from there. It was small when we dug it, so we transferred it here. And look who's here. Look who is the occupant on this dogwood. Look. Ooh. Ta-da! It's him. I don't know his name yet. I just finished making him and I don't know what's his name. I don't have a name for him yet. So if you have a name there, you can comment down below. What do you think is his name? Just hang in there. Yeah, I'm taking video here. So our cats are hungry. They're begging for food. It's actually growing high. This dogwood is. The smell of the flower is it smells very good, but it's very strong. That sometimes it made me sneeze all the time when it's springtime. So it's here. That's it. So we have sweet potato, tomato, and then sweet potato, tomato. And then we have here watermelon. We also have broccoli, cabbage, purple cabbage. We have few onions there. With more tomatoes here. And more onions here. We have our lettuce here and there, and some more here, and bok choy there, pichay. I transplanted few here this morning, and we have our tanglad. Kailangan ko siyang i-transplant.